All right, there is something important here as well for you to understand. As you advance with your company, as people get to know you, as you become famous or well known in a particular industry, these first things, the brand name, eventually is not needed anymore. This slogan that is supporting your branding eventually is not needed anymore. So what is remaining? The icon. So this icon that represents Nike is what people, when the brand is mature enough, will need in order to associate an idea, a product, an event, and a sponsorship with your branding. So be very cautious about the design of that icon.